Carrot. Carrot.
Correct. So, andito na si Nakmak. She joined me say it. Correct. So, finally, she is very happy of her wings, my guys. Fly away. So, she have that. What is that now?
Open wings.
Butterfly wings. So she done eat her breakfast. She wanna be a wings butterfly. Oh my goodness. So and then daddy got breakfast. That's an egg. And also I prepared daddy a smoothie my guys. So tingnan nyo yan. Oh, ano na kami, lights on na kami. Hindi ko pa talaga natapos yung decoration ko my guys. So kailangan ko pa talagang assuming lang yan, yung lights on namin sa aming bahay. So, para naman masaya, di ba? Spirit of Christmas, my guys, is very wonderful talaga, no? Even though we have trials, but we always very thankful of this year again. So, yan po yung breakfast ni Daddy. See? And then we go to the store, my guys, kasi need namin ng milk. Need namin ng egg and her strawberry. Look at her. She don't want me to help push the buggy, my guys. Kasi gusto talaga siya talaga yung mag-push-push nila yung tagwa. Bugat biya na. Hibi biya ng bakwan. Oh, basket di yun siya. Kung be careful, oh. I hold na kay basig makabangga na siya diha. Makabump na siya ng laing mga buggy diha, my guys. Oh, tingnan nyo yan siya. Hindi talaga magpapiri yan. Oh. Hindi talaga yan siya. O, tingnan nyo yan siya. Oh, look like a big girl na. O, diba? O, masugo na ni mommy. Nami dalaga ni daddy. Nami big girl. Oh, finally. Oh, look at her. Oh, very serious. Oh, look at you. Oh, and then mommy is here. Wa na, gitugnaw na si mommy. I'm cold na. So, finally, tapos naming mag-walking. Hala, may nakita kaming deer, my guys. Tingnan nyo yan. Oh, that's a girl deer. So, tingnan nyo yan. Oh, yan. Pag mag-plant ka ng vegetables dito, my guys, ubos talaga yung mga vegetables mo. So, yan po yun. Oh, nakita namin dito ba, nagra-ride kami. So, my goodness. Nakita talaga namin. Daghan kasi 5 man ata yan sila lahat. Oh, tingnan nyo yan doon. Oo, ang dami talaga nila ay around 7 o'clock na ata yan. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 deer. So, diba? Nagtingin-tingin. Pero, you know what, my guys? Very good meat talaga daw yan. Thank you for watching.